Here's what I eat in a day as a woman who works from home and is trying to eat a seasonal balanced diet with more plant diversity but still wants to enjoy and have fun with food. So started off with breakfast. Every morning I have an oat flat white, and then I'm going to have some apple overnight oats. I often batch make at the weekends a big overnight oats ball and some kind of topping, and then I can just layer it up every morning. And I made a compote with apples and cinnamon, just stewed them and topped them with some nuts and had that for breakfast. Then I went on with my morning. I was recipe testing for these seed crackers, which turned out really nicely. They're high protein and really crunchy, and so I had them as a morning snack. Then for lunch, it was leftovers from last night. We often do this with my partner. We cook for 4 the night before, so then we have lunch ready on the next day. And so here it was a kind of take on patatas bravas. So I made a chorizo and bean stew where I added lots of seasonal plants. So there's leek tops, carrots, onions, jarred peppers, some tin tomatoes, and I made some crispy potatoes roasted in the oven with lots of spices, and then topped it with some garlicky yogurt and some parsley. Right, I'm just doing some work at my desk. Excuse the mess. We haven't unpacked yet. We've just moved, so it's all over the place. But it's sweet treat o'clock. So today for my sweet treat, I've got the coffee, which I would usually have black, but I frothed too much milk this morning, so I've just thrown it in there, and I'm having it iced, which is a bold move because it's really cold, but we'll see how that goes. And as a little snack, I got these for my birthday. They're sour cherries, dried cherries coated in dark chocolate, and they're amazing. Yeah, got them as a present and would highly recommend. They're really nice. That's it. Then for dinner, I made my absolute go-to easy meal. It's a Jamie Oliver recipe, which is a cavolo nero pasta sauce. But I often also make this with any kind of green veg I have in the fridge that's going off, or that I don't know what else to do with, like radish tops, or I've used wilted like herbs and lettuce before. It always works because you're adding grana padano cheese, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and so it always tastes delicious. Sometimes I add nuts to make it a bit more like a pesto, but this time I kept it silky smooth and I topped it with some cottage cheese, a bit more parmesan, and some extra virgin olive oil, and that was it. That's it. I'm in my cozies. I've got my favorite go-to dinner, and I'm just gonna have that, and then I've got my eye on some Maltesers for dessert. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more and check out all my recipes on my website.